Okay, here is room 4123 on the Carnival Miracle out of Tampa currently. It is a 3-person room because one person can sleep on the pull-out couch, and this is the view. Other YouTube videos and pictures I found make it look like you have a bigger view than you do, and you do not. But you can see out, and I would assume you can see the water once you're out. Let's see. So as far as obstructed view goes, this is about as good as you're gonna get, I guess, on deck 4. This is how it's decorated. That's Ryan. And the closets. And me. And the bathroom. Pretty standard on this class ship. This and the Pride have basically the exact same layout. And that is it. Alright, this is part 2. I'm going to show from the window to the very far corner on an iPhone to across the room and then there. And then you have your safe, cabinet, all these cruise cabins on Carnival are very standard. And the bathroom in greater detail. And me again. No refrigerator. Something's down there. Shelves, 3 shelf system, hanging clothes, and more hanging clothes. So it's a 3-person cabin with the pull-out couch. And there does appear to be a small refrigerator in the room, but doesn't appear to be very cold. Probably for insulin and so forth. Alright, that's the cabin. Okay, this is finally a better representation of the view of our room, now that it's not so cloudy. So, you can see a little bit of the ocean and some equipment. Get a little bit of fresh air, but there is literally no breeze going by here. So, at least you can see the water, I guess. Slightly better than an inside room. Yeah, I guess so.